Ways to improve is try to control the cue ball to the center of the table. It will give you a lot more options on your shots. So let's take this layout. I'm third diamond in from my corner pocket on the long rail, and my object ball is on the second diamond, frozen to the rail. Now I'm going to hit this shot with high right. All right, so let's go ahead and take this shot. Remember, medium speed, high right. There, we just made it onto the edge of our shape zone. But that's what you want to do, because now, no matter where I had another ball, anywhere on the table, I'm just grabbing some to place them around. But no matter where they were, I have a shot on them. So again, now I have options. So if you can control that cue ball, try to keep it in the center of the table as often as possible. And that's a great way to start out learning position, to control it to the center of the table. All right, here we are again. Now this one's a tougher shot. My cue ball is frozen to the rail. My one ball's over here. I want to sink my one ball, my cue ball into long rail, back to this long rail, center of the table. All right, let's go ahead and take this shot. Remember, shooting off the rail, do not jack the butt of the cue up. You will lose accuracy. Try to keep it as level as possible. And there you have it. That's what we're looking to do. I'm on the green. We're within our shape zone. And now I have options on shooting which ball I want to next. So again, general, rule, the more often you could keep the cue ball in the center of the table, the more options you're going to have. So again, this was just another way of using the rails to get the cue ball to the center of the table. Practice this. This will up your game drastically in a short amount of time.